Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone 6 frozen or unresponsive or stuck screen. So let's get started. If your iPhone screen has get frozen or stuck and unresponsive, so let's see how you can fix it. For this, you just have to follow simple steps to make a force restart of your phone. So for this you just have to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. So let's get started. First volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button until your phone screen goes fully black and the Apple logo won't show. So you just have to wait for it. As you can see, the screen has been black. Now wait for Apple logo and it's appeared. Now release the button and put your phone. And now you just have to wait for the power on of the phone, and after that you will be able to use your phone without any stuck screen. So just wait for it. As you can see, the phone has been power off. Now you can easily use your phone with no stuck screen and no any issue. But if you're having the same issue, you just have to make a force restart again and try again until your screen became unstuck or responsive. So that's how you can easily fix frozen, unresponsive or stuck screen on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.